Tesla is making its move. The electric vehicle giant has started recruiting in India, strongly hinting at its plans to enter the country's EV market. This follows CEO Elon Musk's recent meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi during Modi's US visit. Tesla is currently hiring for 13 roles in Mumbai and Delhi. These include customer facing jobs like advisory and engagement managers, as well as technical roles like service technicians and delivery operations specialists. For years, Tesla hesitated due to India's high import duties, but now things are changing. The government recently reduced import duties on luxury EVs priced above $40,000 from 110% to 70%. This policy shift makes India a more viable market for Tesla. India's EV industry is still small compared to China. Last year, China sold 11 million EVs, while India's total sales were just around 100,000. But with growing incentives and a push for clean energy, Tesla sees strong potential for expansion. Tesla hasn't officially confirmed when it will start selling cars in India, but analysts believe it may begin with imports before deciding on local manufacturing. Demand and government support will play a big role in Tesla's long term plans. Meanwhile, Tesla's hiring spree comes amid broader trade discussions. After the Musk Modi meeting, US President Donald Trump said India and the US were negotiating trade balance improvements and increased military sales, including possible F 35 fighter jet deals. With Tesla's entry into India, local automakers are preparing for competition. Mahindra Group's chairman, Anand Mahindra, addressed this in a social media post. When asked how his company would stay relevant, Mahindra responded confidently. He recalled that similar doubts were raised when India's economy opened in 1991, but decades later, Mahindra is still standing strong. His message was clear. Mahindra isn't afraid of global competitors, including Tesla. He assured customers that his company is working hard to remain a key player in India's automotive industry even a century from now. Tesla's move into India is a game changer. Hiring has begun, policies are shifting, and competition is heating up. Will Tesla dominate the Indian EV market? And will local manufacturers like Mahindra and Tata rise to the challenge? One thing is certain: India's EV landscape is about to get a lot more exciting. Stay tuned for more updates.